In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lower steering intermediate shaft on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Even though there is a steering wheel lock on this vehicle, we want that going straight forward. And we're going to take the belt, the seat belt, just go through the bottom of the steering wheel and lock it in. And that's going to keep the steering wheel from spinning one way or another. You might have to move the seat up to do this. Using a 15mm wrench, loosen up the bolt right here. And using a ratchet wrench makes it a little easier. Slide it out. There is a nut that has a little bracket on it. Grab the shaft. And this top part of the shaft is going to go up. Should be able to separate it. All right. That separates right there and there. Using an 11mm socket, get on this bolt right here. And we'll take that out. Make sure it doesn't spin. That bolt out. Grab the shaft and you want to slide it off. Sometimes it doesn't slide off too easily. If it comes off, then you're good. If not, you're gonna have to do the next step. We're gonna go underneath and take the covers off and try to access it from underneath. And remove these lower shields. Use a 15mm socket. Take these bolts out. Should be 2 up top and 2 underneath. Those 2 are missing. Slide that down. Then under here, same 15mm socket. Take those 4 out. And slide that shield down. Just using a pry bar, I'm just going to go in where that slit is. Just give it a tap. As it spreads, you should be able to hammer it up. There we go. And it just popped right off. And it slides right out. Now, let's slide it over the steering box. Only goes on one way. There is an area where the bolt goes, in case you didn't know. So line that up, a little notch. And then we'll get the bottom started first before we put the top on. And we'll tighten this down. Torque this to 35 foot-pounds. That's good. And get this lined up at the top. And slide it in position. Take the bolt and the nut. That started. I'm going to torque this bolt to 45 foot-pounds. Put the shields on. Get the bolt started. Disconnect the seatbelt, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.